Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to turn your script into an audio file? Finding the right tool is a challenge, but after testing multiple options, I've discovered ElevenLabs delivers the best results.
I can't believe it. This is absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like this before.
In this video, I will show you the right way to use the text-to-speech feature on ElevenLabs to create high-quality AI-generated audio. Let's go. What sets ElevenLabs apart is its extensive library of realistic voices, available in 32 languages that perfectly replicate human speech with its natural tones, inflections, and subtle pauses, thus creating lifelike audio. While ElevenLabs offers several premium plans, I recommend at least the Creator plan to fully experience their most advanced and professional features. If you're interested, I've included a special discount link in the description, which also comes with free credits for your subscription. The first step in creating AI-generated audio is finding the perfect voice for your project that you can choose from the voice library.
The stillness of the evening was pierced by the sudden wail of a distant siren.
But if you want to create something truly unique, you can use the professional voice cloning feature to create an AI model of your own voice. I have a separate tutorial on this, so be sure to check it out later if you're interested. Now, let's begin creating your audio. Navigate to the text-to-speech menu under the Playground section of the sidebar. Here, you'll find a large text area where you can write or paste your script. To help the AI interpret your text more naturally, make sure it is well-structured, grammatically correct, and properly punctuated. As you can see in my example, ElevenLabs recognizes ellipses and hyphens as pause indicators, so you can use them to fine-tune the flow of your speech. When your text is ready, go to Settings to fine-tune the voice for stability and style for a refined output. Start by selecting your preferred voice. Next, choose a speech model. For your reference, the recommended 11 Multilingual V2 is ElevenLabs' most lifelike audio model and is perfect for voiceovers. 11 Turbo 2.5 is also a good option, especially for non-English audio. However, the recommended model may vary depending on the voice you choose. Newer models are likely to offer even better performance over time. Within the settings, you'll also find 3 key adjustments. Stability controls voice consistency, though it's recommended to lower the value for long sentences. Similarity adjusts how closely the generated audio matches the selected voice, while style exaggeration sets how expressive and dynamic the voice sounds. Note that lower values produce more natural speech, while higher values add dramatic flair, ideal for storytelling. Once everything is set up, click Generate Speech to begin the text-to-speech process. Now let's listen to how my example turned out.
I can't believe it. This is absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like this before.
If you like the generated audio, you can download it to your computer and save it to your ElevenLabs voice library for future use. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.